from Cobb County, you might say you're from Atlanta. It's partially suburban, has some incredible school systems, but it's sort of liberal to a little bit, certain extent. It's kind of a mishmash in metro Atlanta, right? And Glynn County is the opposite, extremely conservative jury pool. DeWitt Lacy, that was for you. So now we've got a prosecutor who I guess will be coming from out of town, from the big city up in Atlanta, coming down to southeast Georgia to try this case for the prosecution. So the defense attorneys, my guess, are going to be jumping up and down talking about Ahmaud in the construction site, and you're going to be hearing the out-of-towners giving them a different argument. How is all that going to play in a courtroom?
Sure. I mean, look, I think all the points that have been raised are very true and fair. All right. What we cannot, I guess, discount is the effect that race is going to play in this trial. Glynn County is a majority white county, a white Southern county. This case is going to be divided along racial lines. It already is. And I see no reason as to why that's not going to continue as the trial gets going. Yes, I think the defense will play on, the old tropes of, look, you got the out-of-town, big-time lawyers coming in to tell us what to do when we've all seen it with our own eyes. The problem is, as was stated by Michael, what we've seen with our own eyes is that none of the defendants in this action could have possibly saw Ahmaud commit any felony. So the defense of a citizen's arrest just isn't there. Even if it is there, as was said a little bit earlier, you don't get to round up a posse with guns and go hunt somebody down. They are the aggressors. Even if it's even if it's an open carry state, you cannot show up with the gun saying, "Hey, I want to talk to you," and expect people to respond peacefully. You put a threat on this guy's life, and so he gets to protect himself. Whatever the prosecution is going to do is they have to keep it focused on those facts. And if they can do that, perhaps they can get a good and fair trial here.
Ashley, as I look at this case,